What if I told you that 1 minute could change everything? What if I told you that 60 short seconds held the potential to shift your perspective, calm your heart, and even alter the course of your day? You might think it's impossible. You might think 1 minute is simply too small, too insignificant, but I'm here to tell you that it's not. 1 minute dedicated to prayer can be a source of incredible power. It's a direct line to the divine, a moment of connection with the creator of the universe. And in that minute, miracles can happen. Science is beginning to understand the profound impact prayer has on our minds and bodies. Studies have shown that even brief moments of prayer can reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Imagine, just 60 seconds of heartfelt conversation with God can lower your blood pressure, steady your heart rate, and bring a sense of calm to your entire being. Prayer has the power to quiet the noise of the world, to silence the anxieties that swirl within us. It's a balm for the soul, a moment of peace in the midst of chaos. I once met a young woman named Sarah who was facing an impossible situation. Her husband had been in a terrible accident and the doctors were losing hope. As she sat by his bedside, fear threatened to consume her. But then, she remembered the power of prayer. She closed her eyes and whispered a simple, heartfelt plea for strength and healing. In that 1 minute she found a peace that surpassed all understanding. Her husband eventually made a full recovery, a testament to the power of prayer in the darkest of times. We've all heard stories of miraculous healings attributed to prayer. While not every prayer results in a physical cure, the power of prayer to heal emotional wounds is undeniable. A friend of mine, battling deep grief after the loss of a loved one, found solace in daily 1-minute prayers. He'd step away from his desk, close his eyes, and pour out his heart to God. Those brief moments provided him with the strength to face each day, gradually replacing his sorrow with a quiet sense of peace. Sometimes the most powerful prayers are simply requests for guidance. We've all stood at crossroads, unsure of which path to take. In those moments of uncertainty, a 1-minute prayer can provide clarity and direction. I recall a time when I was wrestling with a difficult decision. After days of agonizing, I finally paused for a minute of prayer. I surrendered my worries to God, asking for His wisdom to guide my steps. And in that moment of quiet surrender, the answer became clear. A minute for gratitude. Prayer isn't just about asking for things, it's also about expressing gratitude for the blessings in our lives. Taking a minute each day to thank God for the simple joys, the warmth of the sun on our skin, the laughter of a loved one, the gift of another day, can shift our perspective and fill our hearts with joy. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity, a reminder of all the good that surrounds us. The simplicity of prayer. You don't need elaborate rituals or memorized verses to pray effectively. Prayer is simply a heartfelt conversation with God. It can be as simple as closing your eyes and whispering, "Thank you," or "Please help me." It's about opening your heart, acknowledging your need for something greater than yourself. Don't overthink it, just speak from the heart. 1 minute, endless possibilities. The impact of just 1 minute of prayer can be profound. It can calm your mind, heal your heart, and guide your steps. It can bring comfort in times of sorrow, clarity in times of confusion, and a renewed sense of purpose to your life. It's a simple act with the power to transform. Your invitation to pray. I invite you to experience the power of a 1-minute prayer for yourself. Find a quiet moment in your day, close your eyes and open your heart to God. Share your joys, your sorrows, your hopes, and your fears. And then listen. Listen for the still, small voice that speaks to the deepest parts of your being. You might be surprised by what you hear.